now it's going.
Okay. So
Hello, camera.
yeah, we're not talking to camera though. We're talking to people. There's people on the other side of the camera.
People watching from home or on the road or on the airplane, wherever you are.
Yeah, or even like on a bus or like on the toilet. There's people probably on the toilet watching right now.
You really had to bring that up.
Well, it's true. I watch YouTube videos from the toilet all the time. So we're just, I've been wanting to do some like videos for a bit, so we're just trying this out, seeing how it is for us to do some vlogging style videos. We're on our way out to pick up some oysters from Hog Island Oyster Company, located in Marshall, California, in Marin County, a county just north of San Francisco. We live in Sonoma County, and we're driving out there now. It's beautiful outside. Monica will turn the camera and show you the gorgeous outsideness. It might be blowing out because I think I have it set to aperture, and I think I have my aperture set. So it's real quick. There's a little human, Richie. Richie, say hi.
Hi.
Good job. And then there's a little.
Who's next to you, Richie? Luna, our dog.
The boxador. Very regal.
It's NAP time, so.
Yeah, so we're
hoping the drive
little man might
help us out with that.
Yeah, just to catch some Z's while we drive out and get some oysters. And then we're gonna barbecue it up.
From Hog Island Oysters, the place to get oysters.
It's true. It is the place we always go.
There's
other
our area.
really good places too, but it's the one that we know, so it's the one that we go to. Definitely gonna get some like cooking footage because I think I'm gonna film some cooking in the future, cooking in the van again and stuff. So we're gonna practice and see what that's like.
I'm not the cooker. I'm the cleaner.
She is the well. I mean,
by default.
Yeah, it's. she's got the title cleaner. I don't know if she earns the title cleaner, but she is the default.
How about
cleaner.
the cleaner upper?
The cleaner upper. I don't know. Makes it better than it was. I don't know if it's clean.
Yeah.
Anyways.
The helper, the assistant.
No, because that you got to take the lead on that. Anyways, super windy out here. Otherwise, actually, we would have been camping this weekend.
And we would be in the van again.
Yeah, we would have spent the day out at Dillon Beach in the van and then camped at this little spot above the beach that we just keep thinking about how cool it would be to do, but we haven't done it yet. We're
definitely going to do it, and we'll film it so you can watch it.
We're a little nervous. We're like,
stay tuned.
It's not really a legit camping spot, but it'd be such a cool camping spot.
It's convenient.
Well, and it's beautiful. It's like one of the coolest spots on the Pacific coast, probably, in my opinion. I'm very biased, though. You'll learn that as you watch more of us. I'm a very biased human. Yeah. Okay. So that's our little intro. That's what we're doing. Going to get some oysters out of Hog Island. We're on a drive.
Yep.
Now Monica's gonna get B-roll of the drive.
What's B-roll?
B-roll. B-roll is the pretty footage that gets interspliced into a video, like between point A and point B. So like we did a little intro, and now there's gonna be all this like pretty footage of our drive with some cool music. And then after that, then they'll see us at the oyster place getting oysters.
So is this the A-roll? Since that's the B-roll?
It's not really called that. It's a legit question.
Or is it like just like B for between, like the between shots? Like,
okay.
Where did they get that
so
name?
We're gonna have to look this up. We'll come back to you. We'll let you know exactly. I'm pretty sure B-roll just stands for like not the main footage. It's like it might be backup. No, I don't know. We'll find out. I guess we'll have to find out.
The beauty roll.
This is the stuff that vlogging is going to have us do in this world, is find out new things. Did you turn the seat heater on with the Gorillapod by any chance? Because my seat is getting really hot.
Oh, with the strap.
Yeah. Can we turn that off? Because it is not cold. And now my butt is on fire.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay. I just have a
like
fiery
level
butt.
2, which is hot.
So stop recording now and let's get some B-roll.
Okay, I thought I was gonna. right now I'm just chilling in the car with Luna and the sleeping Richie. We like our little makeshift headrest to keep his head from not being like down and neck pain, which is no fun when you wake up from a nap. I'm waiting in the car since he's napping, and Garrick went in to go get our oysters from Hog Island Oysters. And people are, it's COVID time, so people are wearing masks and maintaining 6 feet apart. I don't know if you'll be able to see the sign over here or not. We're doing our part, but we are super looking forward to when this passes and we can not do this and be with our friends and family and give hugs and shake hands and encourage our son to share again. It's been a very interesting time with everyone navigating and figuring out the best ways to manage this. But we're just here parked on 1, chilling, waiting for our delicious oysters. And we're back.
Okie dokie. So I messed up because I just got us oysters. I was gonna maybe film it, but I don't know. This whole COVID thing. It's got oh, I like how it's keeping focus on your face because you actually have a face. I don't have a face. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Now maybe it'll focus on me too. We're back on the road. We have oysters. They have three different styles. They had their local mini ones.
Yeah.
Some from Washington that were the medium size, and then they have, I think their local ones were the really big ones too. And the really big ones are awesome to barbecue because then you got like a lot of meat to queue up. So we're gonna queue those up. We're gonna eat the small ones raw.
We can do that?
We're gonna eat it raw.
You can do that?
It's oysters. You eat oysters
I mean,
all the time.
I've only had raw ones from restaurants.
Oh yeah, like
I didn't know, how do you know it's the right quality?
So
it's like I wouldn't make my own sushi.
So we just went. So if you went to a hold on.
Can you tap?
No, it's a good question. It's a good question. It's just really cute the way you asked it. Okay, I'll get there. I'll stop giggling here in a moment. I love that you asked that question. So you can go to a sushi grade fish market. There we go. And or a market in general that has fish, and you can buy sushi grade fish, and you could then eat it raw. That's how I should be saying it. I don't know why I'm saying rare. It was fun. So we can definitely eat them raw, and we can queue. I was thinking we'd eat the small ones raw, maybe queue up a couple of those, queue up all the big ones because that's way too much oyster meat in your mouth to have be raw, and do a little 50-50 maybe on the medium ones. See how it goes.
Got a lot of oysters.
Yeah, we got what's 12 times 3? Come on people. 36. That's right. 36. We have 36 oysters to eat between 2 and
you defrosted meat.
The third people.
And you defrosted meat too.
Yeah, it's not gonna be defrosted enough. I'll just throw it back in the freezer. Richie, are you excited about oysters?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Do you remember what oysters are, Richie? What kind of fish? Yeah, shellfish.
Anti-shellfish. Anti-shellfish.
Oh, I'm sure she'll love that.
Yeah, I think she will. His aunt, my sister's named Michelle, and he calls her Shell. So now we're gonna start calling her Shellfish. Anti-shellfish.
Anti-shellfish.
Anti-shellfish. Okay, people. We'll catch you when we're cooking them up and prepping them and stuff. Oh, huge motorcycle crew! Turn the camera around! Turn the camera around! Yeah, look at this motorcycle ride! Woo! If you didn't know I like motorcycles, that was all of them. Okay.
If you didn't know, you know.
Peace out, people. I'm like so close to you. You could how many nose hairs did I have? Could you count them all? If you paused it back there, I'm sure you could have. Okay. Peace out. See you at the house. I know you like the lemon. So this is your first.
Where did we get those oysters, Richie?
No.
Did we drive to get them?
Yeah.
In the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I see his face somehow?
Okay, ready? How was that?
Okay.
Oh, it's just the lemon juice.
It's like there's still the oysters.
Here we go.
Make sure you chew it.
Good.
You like that?
What do you think?
Good.
What did you just eat?
Do you want more oysters?
No. Just say the oyster.
One is. Yeah, Richie.
No.
How many have you had already?
A lot.
2, 3. Now you gotta.
Okay. So here we are. We got the oysters, shucked them, cued them, had some raw. Got some raw right, yeah. We had a successful little day trip. And a successful first, how's it gonna be if we try and do some vlogging stuff? What do you think, babe?
That's fun.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Okay. Richie, what do you think? Did you have a good time?
No.
Oh no!
What can we do to make you have a good time?
What's that, the view?
Oh, we looked at the view? We didn't look at the view enough?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So next time, we'll look at the view more. Got
I
it.
like that
Okay.
idea.
It's a great idea, Richie. Well, peace out. Go eat some oysters if you can. If you can't, sorry. Keep it real.